Okay, so what you're looking at is the Siless Deadening Pro or Siless Pro that's laid on top of the 120 mil or 80, depending on the area. And just so you can hear a difference, and I know it's different parts of the car, but so big sound deadening difference. I have done installs for years, and I can tell you that I'm pretty happy with this so far. I mean, even in this area where this thing sounded like a bell, sounds pretty good. In the area that doesn't have it, big difference. And that sounds still much better. So you can't skip this step to do that. That has to lay on top of this, specifically if you want it to stay, so it doesn't lift. And, you know, just so you can see, like, I have this area that I didn't push down, which happens. But as I go to lift it up, it does not come up. And it is 45 degrees in my garage. It was installed about a week to 2 weeks ago. And with the install all the way through the floorboard of the vehicle, over the transmission tunnel, and then over the gas tank and axle into the trunk, I mean, I just could not be happier. Everything is very well form fitted. It's easy to put in place, and all of this was smoothed down with my hand. It wasn't done with a roller tool. However, all of this was done with a roller tool, and I'm going to put a review for that as well. But I've always done Dynamat. I've never tried anything other than Dynamat until this vehicle, and I think I'm going to stick with it. Really good product. Thanks for your time.
Still super drummy. Siless Pro sound dampening.